If you're looking to elevate your market research game, using Apollo.io for market research can be a game changer. Whether you're a startup looking for your next big client or a seasoned marketer refining your strategy, Apollo.io offers powerful tools to uncover insights and grow your business quickly. Stick with me till the end and I'll show you how to make the most of this software, including how to access it for free with exclusive bonuses that will turbocharge your market research efforts. Apollo.io is a comprehensive sales intelligence platform that not only helps you discover potential leads, but also gives you a deep dive into data about companies and decision makers. The first thing you'll want to do is create an account, which is super easy. After logging in, you'll be able to access their vast database, which contains information about millions of companies and contacts, making it an excellent resource for market research. Now let's start by exploring the search functionality. Apollo.io allows you to filter results based on industry, revenue, location, company size, and much more. This is perfect for pinpointing specific market segments that align with your business goals. For example, if you're targeting companies in the technology sector with an annual revenue of over $50 million, you can set those filters and instantly get a list of potential prospects. One of the most valuable features for market research is the ability to see contact information for decision makers at these companies. This allows you to assess not only who the key players are in the industry, but also their roles within the organization. It's especially useful if you're trying to connect with high-level executives to gather insights about market trends or potential business opportunities. Another important tool within Apollo.io for market research is their advanced analytics and insights. Once you've set your filters and selected the companies you're interested in, Apollo.io provides data on their growth, hiring trends, technologies they're using, and more. This helps you get a pulse on the market, understand where companies are investing, and identify growth patterns that can inform your strategy. Apollo.io also lets you track market trends in real time with their newsfeed and alerts. This is perfect for keeping an eye on competitors or any industry changes that might impact your business. You can set up alerts for specific companies or industries, so you're always in the loop with the latest developments. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses trying to stay ahead of the curve in a fast-moving market. Now, for those who are just getting started, don't worry about being overwhelmed by the platform's features. Apollo.io has a user-friendly interface, so even if you're new to market research, you'll be able to get up and running quickly. With the right filters, you can start gathering valuable insights in no time. Here's something you'll definitely want to stick around for. By clicking the first link below, you can access Apollo.io completely free with some amazing exclusive bonuses. These bonuses will enhance your experience with Apollo.io, allowing you to dive even deeper into your market research without any barriers. In summary, Apollo.io for market research is a powerful tool that lets you access detailed company data, track market trends, and identify key decision makers in just a few clicks. Whether you're doing competitive analysis or identifying new business opportunities, Apollo.io makes market research accessible and actionable. Don't forget to click the link below to claim your free trial and unlock the extended bonuses that will help you accelerate your market research even faster.